Everyone, it's me, Amy, and today we will we will unbox an item from Shopee. So this item is a cell phone, mobile phone for children. My son will soon turn 3 years old. So he has a real phone, but he still don't know how to use it, and it's not good for their eyes. So at saka ayaw niya ding nagse-cellphone. Pero kinukuha niya kasi yung phone ko for picture. Alam niya mag-picture. So, I bought him this one, which has a camera and it is built for kids. This is a mobile phone for kids. But it doesn't use Wi-Fi. It doesn't use internet or data. So, built talaga siya for kids. It has calculator, games, and many more. So, this one is cost like 753 pesos. So this one is for children's mobile phone. It comes with blue, pink, green, and purple. But I chose the blue one kasi my child is a boy. And it has ABC, a calculator, what's this? Habits, camera, games, and DV. What's DV? Yeah, let's see. So, my son is sleeping kasi kukunin niya agad. So, we have here manual. Yan, very small lang siya. And here, ito siya kalaki. And may kasama siyang memory card, which is 32 GB, charger, and lace. Yeah, yun lang. So please fully charge before first use. Please make sure the card is FAT32. Do not remove the memory card when using the device. Otherwise, the device may be frozen. Okay. Then, so set muna natin yung date. Today is, by the way, this is touchscreen, so no worries. Okay, there. So, let's see the included apps. So, here pala the memory card. If you will push a memory card for the TV. So, kasi nung binili ko, may kasama ng memory. So, it should be like that, the path. And then, yung memory. Then, just insert. Kasi hinahanap ko yung pag-open. SD card is plugged in. Alright. So, to change the wallpaper, like that. And then, we have here the camera. And at the back. Now, this is the flashlight. Then, ayun. So, pipindot sa gitna. We have here the camera, the image. Let's see the image. Yun yung pinicture ko. There. And next one. DV. What's DV? DV. I need to put the memory card. Oh. Next, video, audio, recorder, calculator, 5 plus 5 equal 10. Next, games. Ito yung gusto niya. Arrow Master. Oh. Dito yung back. Ang dami in fairness. Oh. Ang dami. So, it has 44 games.
44 games. Wow. Hindi niya pa naman alam mag-games. Clock. So we also have alarm. Alarm, games, ebook. Ebook. Wala pa. And my files. ABC. For toddler talaga ABC. B. Wow. Next. Countries. Wow, there's countries. Sydney Opera House. Taj Mahal.
India,
In India. Habits. Habits. Piano. Measurement. Volume. Wow. May ganun. I can dress. And we also have pen. Ito bagay sa toddler to. Yeah. And settings. Oh, nice. So, yun lang yung apps niya. Tataka ko sa camera kasi maraming ano siya. Filter nung. Ayun. Here. Filters. Yan. Nice. Very cute. Worth it. I think it's worth it for me. Ang daming wallpaper, ha? Yeah. Monster. So cute. Come here. I have something for you. Di ba you don't have cellphone na? Di ba I sold your cellphone? Right? You kiss mama girl. Nice naman your cellphone.
So for the kids' mobile phone, thumbs up. Very cute, very smooth, very cheap, and very suitable for a 3-year-old child onwards. So that's all for today. If you want to avail that one, you can just find here below the products. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I just want to share it to you. Yeah, for unboxing.